Children, in this video class, we are having solutions of linear equations in one variable. Today, we will discuss the type in which variable is written on left side as well as on right side. हमने कल जो क्वेश्चंस किए थे उनमें वेरिएबल एक ही तरफ था, लेकिन अभी वेरिएबल दोनों तरफ है. इट्स ऑन लेफ्ट साइड एज वेल एज ऑन राइट साइड. So, to solve such equations, what we do, we collect all the terms which are having variable on one side. हम सारे terms जिनमें variable आ रहा होता है वो सारे terms एक ही side पर collect करते हैं. So, 3t is written here. I will transpose this 3t on left side. So, when 3t will be transposed on left side, so its symbol will be negative. Similarly, I am transposing this 3 on this side, right side. So, its symbol will be positive when it will come on right side. So, what I did here? I did transposition. Okay. What will be remaining on left side? 2t. And here also subtraction 2. Symbol of greater one minus. Now again I have to find out t. So this 2 will transpose on right side. It will come in division. 2 and 2 will get cancelled and I will be remaining with minus 1. So t की क्या value आ गई? Minus 1. Now I have to check this value is correct or not. वो कैसे पता चलेगा? उसके लिए हम checking कर सकते हैं. Checking कैसे करेंगे? This value of t can be placed on left side as well as on right side. If both the answers will come equal, then our answer will be correct. So, how will we check this? I am taking left hand side. Left hand side is this. Here I am putting t value as it is. 5 into minus 1 minus 5. Minus 3. Now both are of same symbol, so these two will be added and on addition it will be minus 8. Now similarly I am having right side. I took right side and here also I put t value. This is coming this. Now again their symbols are same, so it will add it up and minus 8. Now LHS and RHS both are coming equal. So it means our solution is correct. Now LHS as well as RHS are coming equal. It means our solution is correct. Okay children, now I am telling you one more type of example where a little bit tough question is written. And we will reduce it into simpler form. How to reduce it into simpler form? I will take this 3 on right side. So when it will go on right side, when it will be transposed on right side, this is in division right now. When it will go on right side, it will be in multiplication. Similarly, when this 5 will go on left side, then again it will come in multiplication. We can do here cross multiply. We can say this is cross multiplication I am doing. 3 will get here, 5 will get transposed here in multiplication, and this will be my new form. Now I can distribute this 5 with x, 5 with 5, 3 with x, 3 with 3. I have used here distributive property. Okay children. 5x 25, 3x 9. Now again I will do transposition. I will take 3x on left side. It will be negative. 25 on right side, so it will be positive. 2x 16 x Now again this 2 will go on right side, so it will come in division and I will get answer as 8. Now let me check whether my answer is correct or not. I am taking left hand side. On left hand side I put x value as 8 and on solving I am getting answer 1. On right side again I am putting x value and I am getting answer 1. So you see LHS and RHS both are coming equal. It means our solution x equals to 8 is the correct solution.